Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. So the question is, what do you mean by teamwork and how is it important? So teamwork का मतलब क्या होता है? Willingness of a group of people to work together to achieve a common aim is called teamwork. Means willingness of a group. A group, जो भी ग्रुप है, वॉट एवर ग्रुप यू आर हैविंग, विलिंगनेस शुड बी देयर, मीन्स इच्छा है ना, जो इच्छा है ग्रुप का, और पीपल टू वर्क टुगेदर, एक साथ काम करने की जो इच्छा है, टू अचीव अ कॉमन गोल, एक गोल को अचीव करने के लिए, जिसे हम लोग टीम वर्क कहते हैं ना, कोई भी एक ग्रुप का एक साथ काम करने का इच्छा, ताकि हम एक कोई भी एक गोल को या फिर कोई भी एम को अचीव कर सके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ टीम वर्क ना. So teamwork is important in many field, in every field, right? हर एक फील्ड में टीमवर्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Either you are playing sports, either you are doing any work, either you are going for a better future, you need a better future, you need a good job for your future. It's very important. Teamwork is very important in your job, in your school, in every life. So it can make you happier. The first point is it can make you happier because you're getting all the supports from your team, है ना, तुम्हें सारे सपोर्ट तुम्हें अपने टीम से मिल रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट इज देयर दैट यू कांट नो ऑल द थिंग्स, है ना, तुम हर कुछ नहीं जान सकते. यू कैन गुड इन वन टॉपिक, योर फ्रेंड इज गुड इन अनदर टॉपिक, योर अनदर फ्रेंड इज गुड इन अनदर टॉपिक. सो if all the topics come together, it will be more better group, right? If you are trying to achieve all the things by alone, it will be very difficult for you, है ना. अगर हम अकेले सब कुछ करना चाहेंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा हमारे लिए. इट इज बेटर to move in a group where all the talented people are there in your group, all are having different specialization in their group, है ना, in their skills, सबका अलग अलग टैलेंट होगा. Now next is you can share your work with your teammates which can reduce your workload. This is very important, है ना. कैसे क्यों important है? क्योंकि हम लोग अपने जो वर्कलोड है, सपोज in your work you have got a task to write 10 pages, 10 pages on any topic, and you take 2 pages, you have given 2 more pages to your teammate and 2 more pages to other, you have divided 2 pages with every member. It will be very easy, workload will reduce. So by this way it will also helpful a teamwork, it will reduce your workload,
Okay.
right? Now, last point is it also helps you to improve your communication and boost your creativity. ठीक है, creativity तुम्हारा improve होगा, communication improve होगा, because in your group you always keep on discussion, you keep a session for discussion, you keep and you continue having discussions with your group, है ना, हमेशा डिस्कस करोगे ग्रुप के साथ. 10 ग्रुप, either you are having members 10 members, either you are having 20 members, it will improve your communication, है ना, because you are continuously discussing your topics with your friends, with your teammates. Now question number 2. Now anyone read? I'll call
So
you
may I?
alphabet wise. Call alphabet wise. It will be better, so that everyone will get chance. Ogni,
Yes,
start from
sir.
A. Yes. Second one.
So please repeat what you have told.
Question number 2. Chapter 3. Question number 2. Look at my screen.
Yes,
Is
sir,
it
I
visible?
can
No?
see it.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Which one I did means one and two. Both one means question number two.
One. Only one.
Okay, sir. We can take example from any of our sports team where all the players are working together to win a particular game.
Yes. So, what you understand? The question is, how does the universe teach us the value of teamwork? है ना? कैसे हमें यूनिवर्स जो है हमारा हमें समझाता है
Sir, we
कि
understand that like the team players they are working together to win a match, so they are
yes,
doing the teamwork, so it will be easy for their winning.
yes. So in every game you can see, whatever game are there, a team is there. Only because of their good team, they are winning the match. If a single member is not working properly, na, then the whole group will fail. है ना, एक भी मेंबर ने अगर अच्छे से काम नहीं किया तो पूरा ग्रुप फेल हो जाएगा. So it is better that everyone should do their work properly in a group. Now second one is
So may I tell,
Arya,
please?
Arya. One by one, na, I call you
Yes.
alphabet wise. Arya.
Our school is also a good example of teamwork where every teacher and staff work together and give us a proper and smooth education.
Yes, what you understand in this?
We understand that our teacher and staffs also work together and give us a proper education.
So this is a very live example you can see in your school, right? स्कूल में हम हमेशा
Yes,
देखते
sir.
हैं all the staff teachers, all the teachers are working, है ना? Like you are having three Hindi teachers, these three Hindi teachers are working in a good way so that they can teach all the students in a proper way, है ना? If you are having
Yes,
four
sir.
English teachers or whatever subject they are having, they are doing in a teamwork, है ना? For exam, they divide their work. Sir, please do this work. Sir, you please do this work. है ना? They divide their work one by one and they reduce their workload and they do their work in a proper way. So this is a very live example you can see in your school. Now question number 3, Chetan. F. Question number 3. Look, let me read the question. What are the essential qualities needed to build a strong team? है ना? क्या क्या क्वालिटीज चाहिए हमें एक अच्छा टीम बिल्ड करने के लिए?
Hello,
Chetan?
sir.
Yes.
So 3 number question, I have also written the same answer.
This is very easy because you got all the points in your book, right?
Yes, sir, before I have written, but yeah.
सारे पॉइंट्स में बुक में मिल जाएंगे. So, Chetan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read question answer number 3. Look at the screen.
Yes, sir. The queries then we need to build strong them
Build,
team
build.
are also flaw.
Slowly. Just read the words properly and read it. The qualities that we need to build strong team.
Okay, sir. Number one,
Commitment.
commitment. Two
Commitment.
number appreciation. Three number
Appreciation.
spending time together.
Appreciation. Yes. 4.
And conservation.
Communication.
Communication. Five number
Hmm.
sharing responsibility.
Chetan, listen. You read every day. You have to read your book, right? In your home. घर में हमेशा बुक पढ़ना. Every day you read one chapter loudly. Don't read inside. Just read loudly in your home. Every day you have to read one chapter. Whatever subject you choose, try to read. It will improve your reading.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? रीडिंग इंप्रूव करना है तुम्हें. अच्छे से घर पे पढ़ना हर एक दिन एक चैप्टर. एवरी डे हैव टू रीड वन चैप्टर लाउडली. जोर जोर से बोल के पढ़ना. इट विल इंप्रूव. नाउ द पॉइंट्स आर कमिटमेंट. सो you have to discuss it again, or you know what is commitment, right? Anyone say what is commitment? I'm calling one by one. What is commitment? Can you explain anything about commitment? Why commitment is important in teamwork? Anyone? You have completed this chapter, no? Try
Yes,
by
sir. Sir,
yourself.
may I?
Yes.
Sir, commitment. Sir,
Sir, may I?
No, let's Susmita first. Then if she is unable, then you continue. Yes, Susmita, continue. Try. Give a try.
sir, due to network problem, I was disconnected. Sir, may I tell?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So the commitment is an agreement or place to do something in a future.
Yes. Okay. Good. Now, Ogni,
Yes, sir.
same point.
Sir, may I?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Shreya, just wait after
Shreya,
Ogni.
after me.
Okay, sir.
Commitment means that team members understand and agree to support team recommendations because team can only move forward when everyone on the team accepts the decision and stands behind it. So it is called commitment.
Yes. Correct.
Sir, may I?
Yes. Now, Shreya.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, if you tell the definition, then commitment is the state or quality of being dedicated to a cause or activity, or we can tell that commitment is the dedication for the work. In teamwork, commitment is very much important. It's because there will be many members in the team, and each of the members have to dedicate something, and they have the quality to dedicate their things. And if they can't dedicate, then the work will be not very much efficient, the work will be not the best. And also they have to respect each other's decisions. So commitment is very important, dedication is very important,
Yes.
faithfulness
So
is very important.
yes. All are correct.
So may
In
I?
their own words, all are correct. Yes. Now you can speak.
So may I?
Yes.
Commitment and teamwork gives a team strong focus on success.
Yes. Strong focus. Look, all the points can give strong focus, right? Appreciation also gives strong focus. Communication also gives strong focus. All the points you can add this point, all these points, all the 5 points is correct. But commitment has different commitment. All are correct. Commitment. Look, if you are committing something to a team, means you have to complete that. And what? Suppose 4 members are there. You have committed something different. Other member has committed something different. So all have committed their works in their team. So everyone have to do their work in proper way. है ना? अगर एक ने भी अपना commitment पूरा नहीं किया, so whole team will fail. So every member in your group have to follow their commitment. Whatever they have committed to their team, है ना? Everyone have to follow their commitments. In a movie you have seen na commitment. In Hindi you can see one movie is there ना commitment में एक dialogue है ना, कौन सा dialogue है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एक बार जब मैंने commitment कर दिया ना like this, commitment में जो मैंने बोल दिया है, if you have said something to your team that I will do this, I will handle this, don't worry, I am there, I will handle this point, this uh, area. So it means you have to do this, है ना? Because they all depend on you now because you have committed.
Yes, yes.
राइट तुमने कमिट कर दिया इसीलिए मुझे लगा कि अब तुमने कमिट कर दिया तुम संभाल लोगे वो तो आई एम फ्री नाउ बट अब तुमने नहीं किया तो कौन करेगा ना बिकॉज यू कमिटेड यू आर थिंकिंग दैट यू विल डू सो दिस इज कमिटमेंट मीन्स कोई चीज कमिट करना कोई चीज बोलना है ना that you are taking this part, you are handling this part. Now next is appreciation. It is very important, appreciation in every field, not in group, in every part of your life. Appreciation is very important. Now who will discuss, who will explain appreciation?
So may I?
Yes.
Sir, appreciation means the ability to understand the worth, quality, or importance of something.
Quality and importance of something.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, yes, to understand and to explain, है ना? Not to only understand. सिर्फ understanding ही important नहीं है ना? We should also explain that understanding to that person, right? So all of you understand appreciation, right? Appreciation means understand others' strength, understand others' struggle, and we should appreciate. Yes, उनका तारीफ करना है ना? So always, yes. Yes, what happened?
Yes, what happened? I left.
Sorry, what happened?
One call is coming, so may I left for one time?
Okay, just come fast, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So appreciation is this, that you have to appreciate every member of your team, whatever work they have done, how much struggle they have done, either that is a very small struggle or a big struggle, whatever efforts they have given, you have to appreciate your team member to their efforts. है ना? जितना भी तुमने कोशिश किया उस हर कोशिश में तुम्हें उसे तारीफ करना पड़ेगा ना. It will improve their work, improve your teamwork also. So it is important in every field. कोई भी field में ना. If your parents is doing something for you, you should appreciate your parents. If your parents is doing something new, if your friends are doing something new, trying something new, you should appreciate your friends also. So this will help. Now third is spending time together. Now spending time together, who will speak? This is nothing, we can understand with the words only. So next point, anyone explain? Spending time together, we all can understand what is spending time together. We should spend time together so that we can understand every member. We can understand what they are thinking, what they are doing in their mind.
Sir,
Huh?
may I tell the communication one?
Yes, yes, you speak the communication.
Sir, may I?
Yes, yes, Ogni.
Yes, sir. Communication in a teamwork means if I was the leader means example, then if I always tell them or force them to do work and not taking their help means they are also telling the good thing. We are not communicating with them, so it is they are not doing the work properly. They will not feel happiness. So we should
Yes,
communicate with their ideas also to get help in a teamwork.
yes, yes, yes. So communication means the same that you have told. Like we are taking class, now we are doing class.
So may I
So
tell what is communication?
yes, yes, speak.
So the communication is simply the act of transforming information from one place, person or group at another to another.
But how it help in teamwork?
May I tell?
That is the meaning of communication. It is correct, but how it help, है ना? वो कैसे help करता है teamwork में? Who want to say?
So may,
Palak.
yes, sir.
Yes, Palak.
Communication is how people share ideas, knowledge, and information.
Yes, yes. How to
So may I
share
tell how it helps in
knowledge?
teamwork?
Huh?
So the communication within a team will build a common purpose and among them the team members that will allow them to reach their goals, and frequent friendly communication can help team members develop a sense of belonging and strengthen relationships.
Okay, okay. So all these are communication means you have understand what is communication, right? So communication means we have to communicate with every member, you know, what they are doing, how they are doing, why they are doing, you know, what steps they are taking, why they are taking these steps. We have to communicate with each members of the team, है ना? अगर हर एक मेंबर से हम लोग कम्युनिकेट करेंगे वो क्यों कर रहे हैं काम, क्या करेंगे वो, है ना? हाउ दिस वर्क विल हेल्प, है ना? तो हर एक से बात करना पड़ेगा हमें, ताकि उनके उनके बारे में हम जान सके, वो क्या सोच रहे हो जान सके. So this is very important to communicate with each member to understand their ideas, understand their feelings, understand their opinions, है ना? वो उनके जो opinions है, वो जो चाह रहे हैं वो लोग उसको हम लोग समझे, है ना? To understand everything we have to communicate. अगर बात ही नहीं करेंगे समझेंगे कैसे, ना? We should communicate to understand. मैं आज सपोज आई वांट टू नो सुस्मिता, है ना? अगर मैं सुस्मिता को जानना, मैं कैसे जानूंगा? आई विल टॉक विद सुस्मिता, राइट? तो मुझे सुस्मिता से बात करना पड़ेगा तभी मैं समझूंगा. सो कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड सुस्मिता, है ना? So that's why in every team, to understand every member, we have to communicate with all the team members. Very easy. Now sharing responsibility. Who will explain the last point?
So may I?
Speak.
So the response. So it is may I tell why it is important?
Why it is important? Tell me. Sharing
Yes, sir.
responsibility.
Sir, it is important that the parties involved both understand the work that they are responsible and for and make the effort to complete said tasks on time and up to expected standard.
Sharing the repeat again. Repeat again.
Yes, sir. What have told?
Repeat again the answer. Sharing responsibility. I missed some words.
Can't you please repeat once?
What? What, Susmita?
So please repeat once what you have told.
Yes, I'm telling that repeat your point. What you have told, what answer you have told. Then repeat the answer again. I can't understand one few
Yes.
words. Okay, Susmita, maybe if you're having some network problem, then let it. So sharing responsibility means we have to share our responsibility. Whatever responsibility a team is getting, we have to share in equal parts with all our members. So it will reduce your stress. It will reduce your time of work. तुम काम भी जल्दी कर पाओगे, तुम्हारे अंदर लोड भी ज्यादा नहीं आएगा ना. So it will help in such a way. You have to share all your responsibilities to your team members.
So now can you
Now
hear me?
four. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. I was saying that the responsibility is important because it provides a sense of purpose.
Sense of purpose. It can be there. Say it provides a sense of purpose, but we should share that.
Yes, sir.
We should share with all our members. Now the fourth number you have to write by your own. It depends on your answer. What sport do you take a part in school? कौन सा sport तुम school में ले रहे हो ना? All of you write this answer by their own. And how you behave with your teammates. Either it is football,
So may I
table
tell the
tennis.
answer one?
It can vary. All the answers will vary. So let's tell your answer. What you have right. Susmita.
Yes, sir.
Be fast, be fast. Time is very less.
So the phone number answer.
Four number. What you have written in your?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I've written that 100-meter race sports I take part in school. I behave with my teammates kindly and by spending time with them and by sharing everything.
Okay. Correct. So by this way, everyone have to write there by your own answer. It will vary. All the answers will be different because how you are behaving with your teammates will be different. What sports you are taking part, it will also be different. Like you have taken 100-meter race, anyone else will take part in football, anyone will take part in some different activities. So last message, what message you are receiving from the popular story, Dog
I have
Trapped
written
in the Net?
another thing. The 5-number question. May I tell?
Yes, I remember your answer. You have written unity is the strength, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is also correct. In a small way, you can write this. But if you want to elaborate, if you want to elaborate that point, what you have written, you can write that we can fight from any circumstance if you work together and trust each other. है ना? कोई भी लड़ाई हम लोग लड़ सकते हैं अगर हम लोग साथ में लड़े और एक दूसरे का भरोसा करें ना. So that we can
Yes, sir.
fight with any circumstances. Now next chapter. So any confusion anyone is having with chapter number 3?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Chapter number 4. Start with point number 1.
The chapter number
Devasita.
4 half was completed.
Okay. Now Devasita.
So up to page number 19, it was completed.
19 it was completed.
Yeah, half portion.
Devasita is not responding. Ishwani?
Yes, sir.
Ishwani, look at the screen and read question number 1. How does optimism help you in life? Answer number 1 you have to read from my screen.
Optimism is a form of positive thing. It helps improve your health and makes us happier. It makes us better at adapting to any change and confident in creating new ideas.
Yes. So what you understand from this answer?
Sir,
Yes. Ishwani first. Ishwani, speak. What you understand from this answer?
sir, I
क्या समझ
wanted
में
to.
आया? First Ishwani, then I'll come to you. Ishwani, just read and try to tell what you have understand. Ishwani? Okay, any other student?
So may I tell?
Just wait, Just let me tell some student who is not speaking. Like Srijita, Yashika. I'm not getting any response from you. Srijita, no response. Yashika, okay, Susmita, you speak.
Sir, 1 number answer I have written another ones.
Okay, no problem. What you have written, I have I read that answer, sir. You have sent me that answer, right?
Okay, sir. No, sir, I have not sent. I will send you.
Okay, what you have understand, you tell me. Either your
So
answer or
here,
mine.
which one I have written?
Anything.
Yes, sir.
Anything means you can speak your answer also. You can speak
So
my
that
answer.
means that, yes, sir. So the optimism helps us, means it turns out that an optimism attitude helps us be happier, more successful and healthier. And an optimistic outlook makes people more resistant to stress. Optimism may even help people live longer. And the best thing about optimism is you can learn it even if our outlook tends to be more pessimistic.
Yes. So these all are by this way optimism help us by but why है ना क्यों help करता है because we always think positive and because of thinking positive we feel healthy from inside we feel healthy from outside also only because of this we look confident we are always ready to adapting new changes है ना because of this attitude we feel very happy every time so optimism help us in this way in our life now second number question describe the characteristic of an optimist and pessimist characteristic of optimist and pessimist. Uh, Ananya, Ananya, are you getting my voice? Ananya, no response. Okay, Shreya,
Yes, sir.
Shreya, read the question, answer number two. If
Yes,
you have
sir.
written, then you can read your answer also. Huh? If you have not written, then you can read my answer.
So I have not completed this one.
Okay, then read the
So may I
Yes,
tell?
sir.
answer.
We can take
Just after
example
Shreya. Huh?
from any of our sports team where all the players are working together to win a particular game.
No,
Number
no, no,
two,
not that one. Not that one.
oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Optimists are the people who refuse to feel helpless and don't keep up with problems. Where as pessimists are people who feel down and helpless, and to them everything seems too big and difficult.
Yes, now you explain the answer.
So I will tell.
Let Shreya tell first, then after that I will come. Huh? One by one.
So I'll explain it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So this is telling that optimists are those person who always are negative, who never give up their problem, who never leaves their problem, but always creates more problem, and they are never can solve those problems. They always think that we can't solve these problems, and if the problem is very small, they make it very big and make it
No, no,
impossible.
no. Shreya, that is
Yes.
pessimist. You are
And
you're
the
telling about pessimist or optimist?
the pessimist.
Okay, okay, then it is correct. Huh?
Yes, sir. And the optimists are those persons who are just the opposite of the pessimist, and they always are very much means helpful. They always try to solve problems, and they make everything in a positive sense. So like
Okay,
that, and everything
okay,
seems to be very easy for them because of their attitude.
yes, nice,
Yes.
correct. So these are the characteristics of optimist and pessimist. Now, who is asking for explaining? Another student. You can
So
explain
what?
in your own words. Anyone want to explain the same answer in your own words?
So two number.
हाँ in your own words हाँ अपने words में तुम explain कर सकते हैं if you have something different to say. Okay, no problem. So these are the characteristic of optimist. How optimist person looks and how pessimist person looks. Huh? Now question number three. What did the psychologist suggest to the worried parents? है ना? Psychologist के पास जब वो parents गए थे तो
May
उन
I?
parents को क्या suggest किया
So
psychologist
may
ने?
So may I tell?
All of you have completed. Sujita is not responding. Anya is not responding. Yasika is not responding. So next is
So may I,
Arya.
So
After
I
Arya,
will tell.
Susmita. Yes.
So I will tell my one or your one.
Whatever you have written, you can tell your answer also.
Okay.
Let me see you have written
So then
correct or not.
the psychologist suggests them a plan to balance the twins, and the plan was that on their next birthday, put the twins in a separate room to open their gifts and give the best gift to the pessimist you can afford, and a box of manual to the optimist and see their reaction.
Okay, so this is a plan that psychologists have suggested. है ना? They
Yes.
have to give both of them on the next birthday, and they have to separate both of them in a different room to open their gift. And the question number 4. This is very easy. Question number 3, right? Question number 4. How did twins react to their respective gift? Now, whatever gift they are getting, how they react? है ना? उन्होंने कैसा react किया by looking at their gift? Susmita.
so you were telling me?
Yes. 4 number question.
Yes, sir. How did the twins react to their respective gifts? So, at first they pick means they opened, then they see that they told that I don't like the color of this computer. I will be bet this calculator will break, and I don't like this game. I know someone who has got a bigger toy car than this.
Yes, so they always compare them with other better gift. हाँ, जो pessimist होते हैं हमेशा better gift expect करते हैं. But if you give them the better gift, they also complain with that gift only, है ना? But what optimists do, they always happy with whatever gift they are getting. They always happy with the gift. Now, last one, Ogni. Question number 5. What do you learn from the story?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am reading. We should always think positive, whatever the situation, and always try to find the opportunity in every difficulty. Sir, we understand that that we should always think positive thinking, no negative thinking. It should help our situation better, and it helps us to learn the more positive things which can help us in our life.
Yes. So this is this is we have learned from the story. We should always remember this in our life. Huh? You have seen the story that I have sent you, the YouTube story, Positive Donkey.
Yes, sir.
Look how
So
the
the
donkey.
positive donkey, I have opened it, but it is telling means the voice is not coming properly. Means some problems is happening in that video. I don't know why it is happening.
It is happening with you
So I
only, or
have listened it.
everyone
So
is
I have
getting the same
listened.
voice?
No, sir.
Means
Yes, sir.
you have got the voice, everyone, of the video.
And
Can you?
sir, what is happening that suppose the picture is lags behind, but the voice is going very fast. Means there is no balance between the picture and the voice. Sometimes it is also like
Okay, you can share the screen. Let let everyone see
Yes,
that story. Huh? Very good
So may
story.
I?
I like that story because yes. Share a screen and show me so that everyone can see. Huh? Those who are getting any problem in YouTube.
So who will present you?
No, any student is presenting now. Who is asking? I think who is asking? Susmita, you have asked or who have asked?
Yes, sir. So Shreya has asked, I think.
Shreya is having problems. Shreya is telling.
yes,
Any
sir.
other student to
So then
play?
may I
Any other
present the
student?
screen and so?
Yes, Susmita, you can show.
Okay, sir. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Susmita, you are playing with mobile.
Yes, sir.
So maybe from mobile we can't get the voice.
sir, we can hear if we means the media button if we large it.
Media button.
Yes, sir.
I can't hear.
Sir, I also cannot hear it.
Sir, I think
Anyone is
now not done.
listen. Anyone who is joining the class with laptop, they can play. Don't play with mobile.
Cannot hear.
No. The same problem I am also getting when I'm playing with mobile. Anyone is there who is having laptop,
Yes, sir,
they can play.
Yasika is doing the class on laptop.
But Yasika is not responding. Yasika,
She may join from computer and
Yes, sir.
any other student who is joining with laptop?
No, sir, my also same mobile phone.
Okay.
so I can, but then may I join from my computer? Then I can.
No, not now because it will take time.
Sir, but I can show it. The sound will come. Sir, Susmita, can you tell me the name of the film?
Just write positive donkey. The positive donkey.
Okay, sir, I am presenting my screen.
Okay, Ogni, try.
Yes, sir.
So, but in phone it is not happening.
I'm also having same problem with my phone. Some settings are there, I think.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Yes, sir. Sir, what I will search?
The positive donkey.
No. Sir has already sent in the group.
No, but some students are getting problem in the video. That's why I'm telling to play.
Sir, can you see it?
Yes.
Sir, which one? The first
Here's
one?
the first one.
Okay, sir, wait.
पापा भी देखा होगा
Ethan, please mute yourself.
Sir, can you listen it?
Just let the video play. Then we can understand. Yes, we're getting the voice.
Yes, we can hear it.
Yes. Sir, but the sound is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let it start. No, we are not getting
No,
it.
sir, we are not getting.
No, sound is not coming now.
No, Agni, we are not
The sound
getting
is
sound.
not coming.
No.
Sir, I think
Okay,
May
no
I try
problem.
once again?
What I will do, I will download the video and I will send you. Okay.
Sir, may
Okay,
I
sir.
try it once again?
Today I'll again try it once. It may happen.
Yeah, I
Maybe
can try
that
one.
there was network problem. So please
Huh,
send the
Shreya,
link.
now you can just you write the positive donkey.
Okay,
It will
sir.
come. The first video will be there. That they are having problem na, sound is coming later. The video is going faster.
So I think in this Google Meet some settings are there that from phone or something.
Some settings are there. I have to ask
So,
someone.
so may I try it once again? That
After Shreya is trying, let her try. Then after that, if it is not
Okay, sir.
working, then you can try. I'll search that option, if why sound is not coming in mobile. In YouTube, basically. Huh? When you are playing from mobile gallery, it is the sound is coming. But when you are playing from YouTube, the sound is not coming. Maybe some settings are there in YouTube, I think. So next chapter will start in next class. This is a very good chapter, display courage. So will start in next class. Okay. Today we don't have time.
Okay, sir.
The previous answers are also important, so we have to discuss the previous answer. नेक्स्ट क्लास में स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग ये चैप्टर.
Okay, sir.
Shreya, you are presenting?
Okay, sir, I'm presenting. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you see?
No, Shreya.
Sir, now?
Now also no. Now I can see.
Okay. So can you see the Google screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
The first one.
Sir, I have seen, but the
The
sound was.
maybe it will work now. Let's see.
Yes. Sir, will take some.
Yes, we can hear.
Uh,
Donkey. Story about a farmer and his donkey. A helpful story about adversity. A farmer owned an old donkey. One day the donkey fell down into a well. The animal cried piteously for hours. As the farmer tried to figure out what to do, finally he decided the animal was old and the well needed to be covered up anyway. It was not worth it to retry the donkey.
no, no,
He
no.
invited
The
all of
text is
his
coming very fast.
come over,
Shreya,
help him.
Yes, sir.
yes. Stop the video because the text is coming very fast.
Yes, sir.
The
That is the problem.
what? So what I will do, I will download the video and I will send you in the group. Huh? That will be good.
Okay, sir.
Huh? It is not
Some may I try
coming.
once.
Who? But I will do one thing. I will download and send you. Huh? Don't worry. Now let me take the attendance.
Hello,
And let,
sir.
yes, Susmita.
Sir, I have searched on YouTube and I have already got that how to solve the problem.
Yes. What
So that how
reason? What
to
solution you
in
have
the
got?
mobile how to play a video that we can hear.
Not video. I think we are getting sound from video, but we are not getting sound from YouTube. Suppose
No,
if
so
I
we can get.
playing.
I have searched on YouTube.
So what is the solution?
So it is telling that. So I have not seen the full app. I have seen.
Okay, okay. See, watch the video, and whatever solution is there, you write in the group, huh? So that we all
So
will
I
do
will
this.
share in the group.
So are you sending the group? We'll
Okay,
watch
sir.
that video. We'll apply in our mobile also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so if I got any solution of that sound in mobile, I will send you also. Huh? Okay, now all of you, this is all
Sir,
for
please repeat
today.
what you have told.
I'm just telling that I will download the video. I'll send you. Huh? If I get any solution about the sound of mobile, so I will send that also to you. If I getting any solution. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So bye bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.